Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 30-second algorithm video, and in this task we are given two strings and we need to find the alphabets that are not common in both the strings. I make a blank list of missing alphabets. Then I make a for loop. For I in string A, if I not in string B and I not in missing alphabets list, I append missing alphabet list with I. Similarly, I make another for loop for I in string B, and if I not in string A and I not in missing alphabet list, I append missing alphabet list with I. Then I print a missing alphabet list. Now the missing alphabet list means that C, R, L, P, B are those characters that are not common in both the strings. Similarly, if I change the question to say the string A is geeks for geeks and string B is geeks quiz. So F, O, R, Q, U, I, Z are the characters that are not common in the two strings. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.